Many of us are feeling a sense of despair and great anxiety about the future, but it doesn't have to be that way. It is possible to feel peaceful, safe, secure, a sense of well-being, even optimistic about the future, no matter what is going on around you. The secret is to keep moving physically, emotionally, mentally. Don't stay in the despair, the hopelessness, the lack of trust. You can't be of service to anyone, your kids, your family, your community, your country, the world, unless you take care of yourself first. And creating a better self is about learning to love yourself at a whole new level. You can't make a real impact in the world unless you act from a place of love, because love is the ultimate power. And the way to tune into that love is to bypass the fear and the negative self-talk. One thing that's really helped me is the skill of practicing how to quiet my mind. Traditional meditation didn't really work for me, but I did find something that has helped, and that's the 6-phase meditation by Vishen Lakhiani of MindValley. So the 6-phase meditation is a meditation that incorporates several perspectives and modalities, including neuroscience and psychology. It also has a spiritual component, but you don't have to be a particular religious background. You don't even have to be religious at all. It's just a powerful tool to help you quiet your mind so that you can feel better and then have the power to focus on creating the life that you want to live. So if you'd like to learn a method to help calm your mind and enable you to look at any life or world event from a place of empowerment and a peaceful mindset, then I invite you to join me on an 8-week study of the 6-phase meditation. This is going to be a live group class via Zoom once a week for 1 hour for 8 weeks. I was going to start this course in January, but it just feels like we need it now. So come be a part of this community. For more information, click the link below, and I hope to see you there.